the higher shelf sterns, or higher sterns shell. I've already lost a bottle of drink out of here. These boots I have, try and wipe my stick. The tongue stops about there. 25 mile per hour gusts.
What I'm trying to say here is I'm at higher.
Got a miles bar for now. In memory, here lies the wreckage of B-29 superfortress. We have all the poppies down here, look. Actually, rubber's still there, look. I think that's the last bit we're going to see. Got chicken soup. Yeah, I don't want to be setting fire to anything. Cheers. I found the path. I might not find my drink. Yeah guys, so I'm back in the car. I've got changed. This is the end of the walk, but I'm putting this bit at the beginning of the video just to explain to you. I'm going to apologise now for the poor audio quality. There's not a great deal I can do about it. I do wear a mic with a wind muff. I try and place it in different places to get the best quality. Stop it flapping around and that. It was extremely windy out there today. Way higher than what the forecast was. The forecast was up to 25 mile per hour gusts. I say it was 35 at least. Yeah, so there's not a great deal I can do about that. And also there's one thing I've noticed when I look back through my footage. If you go hiking, you probably do it yourself. My nose runs loads. I try not to put in the bits where I'm because yeah, you don't want to be hearing that. But yeah, apologise if there's any sniffing in there as well. But anyway, enjoy the video. Hello YouTube, welcome to this video. I'm Dave. Today you join me in the Peak District. The road you can see just there behind me is Snakes Pass. Yeah, I'm just parked in that lay-by at the side. I don't know if you can park here or not, but there's no signs saying I can't. And today's walk, we're heading through this gate here. We're going to go to a place called Higher Shelf Sterns and the B-29 World War II plane disaster. So yeah, we're going through this gate here, the Doctor's Gate. Yeah guys, I've never been to this area before. Well, I've been around this area in my car driving. Don't think I've been on Snakes Pass driving though, but I've been quite close. I recognise some of the other roads as I was coming in, but I've never done any hiking around here. As you can see, the paths are a bit wet. Yeah guys, it was actually raining when I pulled up. Got my waterproof jacket and leggings on, trousers, whatever you want to call them. Hopefully it'll ease off as the day gets better. You can never tell with the English weather though, can you? Yeah guys, so like I say, we're heading off up this wiggly path here. Don't know if you can hear it or not with the mic, but we do have water source down there. And again, I don't know if the camera will pick it up. I'm trying to zoom in and it's not there. See, the clouds are moving quite quickly. No wonder it's called Bleak Moor. Yeah guys, no wonder the area is known as Bleak Moor. It is well known for poor visibility quite quickly. Anyway, hopefully it'll be okay. Got me maps and my power banks. Right guys, I'm about 40 minutes in. I think I'm about halfway to higher shelf sterns. Or higher sterns shell. Higher shelf sterns. Yeah, I've already lost a bottle of drink out of here in the boggy section back there. I did turn around and go back a little bit, but I'll see if I can find it on the way back. I don't like leaving later, but anyway, not way back. Annoyed me a bit, but I've got another one. The path is awful, boggy, hard to find. Got wet feet. Yeah guys, these boots I have, try and wipe my stick. The tongue stops about there. Well, some goes all the way up the bill, if you know what I mean, but the join is like a shoe, although these are boots. There's no like seal in the tongue. Yeah guys, so above the height of a shoe, my feet get wet and I sunk in a bog. Yeah, not good. Wet feet and lost a drink. Yeah guys, the path here is slightly better than what I was on. Got the waterfall over there. Yeah guys, I did go on the B-29 way just for a little while, not long, but on the way back I might cut across and join that from my destinations over here, the higher 29 crash area, provided I can find them, because I've never been on it. It was a better path to walk on, so I'll probably do that and make it into a bit of a circular. And I've just realised that the audio is going to be quite shit on this video. It's windy, I do have the wind up here. I don't know what's tapping, possibly my mic as I'm walking. Anyway, I've not a great deal I can do about that. You're out here with me out here, it's windy. Right guys, I gather you're really not going to hear much. You can see by my jacket flapping around, it's really windy. But I'm nearly at higher shelf Stearns. Just heading up there, but something over there as well. I'm really not sure which, so I'll get closer and check on my map. I'll just spin the camera around. I really don't know if you're going to hear me. You're probably just going to hear a load of wind. We have got some quite magnificent views there. Actually see the road over there. Guys, I'm trying to zoom in. Yeah guys, and just after the previous clip, when I was telling you about my boots and that, put my camera away, the bloody cap blew off. So luckily I caught it, it's my new one. And that's why I've got my hood up to keep the cap on. So it probably helped me keep the wind off my face now as well, even though I'm not actually cold at the moment. Yeah guys, we're here. I've just seen the tick light. See you in a second. Yeah, here's the Stearns. Yeah, just seen the tick light over here. My white thing there was. There you go. It's hard to zoom in on this new iPhone. I don't think it's because of the screen protector. Definitely one of the windier ones today. Seriously. It said 25 mile per hour gusts when I last checked the weather app. These are more than that. This is in his 30s. From my experience. Anyway.
What I'm trying to say here is I'm at higher shelf Stearns. I actually get muddled up if it's higher shelf Stearns or higher Stearns shelf, but I know which it is now, higher shelf Stearns, and it's that windy I can't even lean my walking pole on the trig point. I have to trap it between my legs.
Yeah guys, so I've got to remember, for me to remember, higher shelf Stearns. Which stands at 621 metres or 2,037 feet. So I'm presuming it's classed as a mountain. 610 for a mountain in the UK. You tell me. Bloody windy there, honestly. Yeah guys, I was going to cook my dinner here, but I'm going to find somewhere else a bit lower down. Got a Mars bar for now. Also guys, got me spare isotonic drink out. I'll have to look for the other one that way back down. Although I'm taking a different path back down, I do jam that bit while I lost my drink, so I will look for it. I don't like leaving litter, and I don't want to lose my drink particularly. While I'm up here, I'm going to head over to those rocks over there. It's just a path there, look, not far. Don't know what it is, but I may as well have a look over while I'm there. I'm going to put my gloves on. My hands are going a bit cold now. Yeah guys, so I've got my gloves on. I've got these mittens, look. There's one all done up with the thumb and the mitten. And fingerless as well for doing YouTube and that. Let's head over there to them stones and then down to this B-29 airplane crash, World War II. Yeah guys, so I'm over at those other rocks now that I pointed out. I really don't know what this area is called, or if it has a name. There's higher shelf stones over there, look. Now I've just come down this track just to have a nosy at these while I'm here. Why not? Yeah guys, here's a close-up of the rocks. Probably pointless me talking, to be honest. Probably can barely hear a word I'm saying. Presuming there, the house is down there. I presume is Glossop as I came through Glossop as I joined the Snakes Pass, which is the road down there in the valley somewhere. Right guys, let's go and find this B-29 plane crash site. Come on, let's go. So guys, it looks like we're there already. That was much quicker than what it looked on the map. Oh, it's boggy down here, look. Look at that. Yeah, there's more down here as well, look guys. Yeah guys, I was going to tell you a bit about this while I was here, only what I found on Google, so I may as well just read this to you guys. In memory, here lies the wreckage of B-29 superfortress overexposed on the 16th Photographic Reconnaissance Squadron USAF, which tragically crashed whilst descending through cloud on 3rd November 1948, killing all 13 crew members. The aircraft was on a routine flight from RAF Scampton to American AFB Burtonwood. It is doubtful the crew ever saw the ground. Memorial laid by 367 Air Navigation Course of RAF Finningley on 12th November 1988. Yeah, really sad that, guys. Rest in peace. That's thoughtful, look guys. We have all the poppies down here, look. And there's actually rubber still there, look. Part of the tyre on that wheel. That's been there for years. It's really sad. Yeah, it's spread over quite a big area, guys. Right then, I think I'm going past the last of it now. Oh, there's a little bit more down here. And I'm going to head out and find the path. Hopefully find the Pennine Way path that looked slightly, well, it was better to walk on. So I'm going to go back down that one for longer rather than the route that I came up. There's even another bit around here that I can see. So we've got that there. Goes right round that corner over there where we were. Right round there. And right over the back of there. Yeah, so we're heading out this way. I'll have to, I'll get down here, then I'll check my map, find that path. Yeah guys, and I'm going to find somewhere to cook my dinner in a second, when I find somewhere slightly sheltered. When I got over to those other rocks, not higher shelf stones, the other ones, there was an area behind a massive rock out of the wind. But I'd just eaten that Mars bar, so I wasn't hungry. Yeah, there we go guys, I think that's the last bit we're going to see. Well, I don't know, do I? I've not been here before, but I'm going to check my map, find that path, find somewhere shelter to get my dinner. Look at all this, it's absolutely wet everywhere.
boggy. Yeah guys, so I've actually got everything out today instead of showing you as I root through my bag, because it is quite windy here. Hopefully we're going to get this to work with the wind. Got chicken soup. I've already put my fuel in, I've not lit it yet. Got the army mess tins. So yeah, let's light that and see what happens. I've got hot water in there for a hot chocolate. Well, probably warm water in there because that flask isn't too good. Yeah, there you go guys, it's lit. I light quite easily these, to be honest. See, I found a place with a rock as well. I don't be setting fire to the moors, do I? It's in trouble then, aren't I? Don't do that anyway. Yeah, I don't want to be setting fire to anything anyway. Not just for the fact that I'd get in trouble. No, I don't want to be doing that. Yeah guys, and in here I have my trusty knife, fork and spoon, some bread to dip in the soup, and got some hot chocolate somewhere. A sachet of Galaxy hot chocolate. And I have a bag of salt and vinegar crisps as well, Walkers. Nice. Hot chocolate. Cheers. It is actually quite hot. It's done a good job as the flask today. Well, it's not hot, but it's nice and warm. I can't see me, can you? All wonky with wind. Just having my salt and vinegar crisps, and then we'll go and find that path. I can actually see it from here. I can see the road, but it'd be different kettle of fish if it was misty and cloudy, wouldn't it? But yeah, we've got to cut across to it, but yeah, we'll be fine. Just have these and tidy up. There we go guys, all tidied away. Can't tell I've been. Let's go and find this path. So guys, I found the path. I didn't find it any earlier, like what I said I was going to do. But anyway, this is the Pennine Way. I've just walked across all that moorland. I was hoping to join it further up there, but it just seemed to keep getting further away when I was checking the map. Anyway, we made it. It's a bit wet here, look. Yes, in a minute down here we join the boggy bit that I came through this morning, so I will go back down there and try and find my drink. Yeah guys, I might not find my drink because it was really boggy around there, so I'm not definitely going to retrace my exact footsteps. So someone might have picked it up anyway. It was full, not even opened it. There it is, look, can you see it? I'm having that. And this is what I mean about this path. Look at the state of it. Look at the path. It's not like a river. Ha! Ha ha! Ah, I'm going to get wet feet again. I suppose I'm nearly at the car, aren't I? Ah! Oh, this is... You could... Ah! Look at that. Right guys, there's the gate we came in when we started the walk. There's the road with the cars going past. Snake's Pass. Is it Snake Pass or Snake's Pass? One of the two. So yeah, it's time to wrap this one up now. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share. Yeah guys, and I'm just going to mention now, I don't know if I mentioned it when I was cooking the soup at dinner time. I used the Army folding stove, and I did actually use a couple of the solid fuel tablets to get the soup warm, and then I put a third one in and lit it and just ate the soup while it was over the heat. So yeah, I don't know if that was down to the wind or not. I know in my previous video when I used that stove to boil the kettle I only needed one and I didn't even use a full one. Yeah, so anyway guys, that is it for this one. thank you for watching and stay safe. Till the next one. See you later, guys. Stay safe. Enjoy your hiking. Bye. So guys, I'm in the car. I'm changed, all freshened up, ready to set off home. I forgot to say, I'm Dave. You've been watching Walks for Us. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.